After the scaffold tie-in point has been removed, ensure existing renders and primers are clean. Install the specified insulation to the area using adhesive and mechanical fixings. Apply the specified render to a thickness of 4 to 6 mm using a notch trowel to achieve a uniform thickness of render.
Apply reinforcing mesh onto the applied render, making sure this is at 2 to 3 mm back from the edge of the existing smooth render, and leave to harden. Apply 2 to 3 mm over the reinforcing mesh, level off with a trowel or spatula to a smooth finish, and level with the existing render. Allow this to dry for a minimum of 2 to 3 days. Apply the specified primer and allow this to dry for a minimum of 12 hours. Tape around the perimeter of the existing texture and apply the specified texture to the primed render. Using a plastic float, rub over the area to achieve a finish similar to the existing, and remove the tape. Tidy up around the edges for a complete appearance.